Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Chili Sauce, and today I have something that I want to talk to you about, and I think you're gonna like it. So, have you just built a gaming PC, right? And how expensive was it? Was it expensive? Now, even cheaper builds can get a little deep, with your pockets. And I just built an MVP gaming PC. MVP here stands for minimum viable product. Just to get started into the gaming world on PC, I did not splurge on a lot of high-end graphics card, water coolers, and other things that people like to, typically splurge on. Um, the MVP allows us to then just upgrade as we go. So naturally, after you set up your PC, you're going to need your equipment unless you want to just stare at it for a couple of weeks. Not like me. Well, you're going to need a monitor, you're going to need a decent mouse, you're going to need a keyboard, and there are many other things like speakers, mouse pads, headphones, your headphone stands, but it's really up to you. Right now, all I'm focusing on is the MVP to get you going in the PC gaming world. Now, I was playing with a basic keyboard because I did not want to spend on getting a mechanical keyboard. Um, and the reason for that is they are a little expensive. You have to invest, it is an investment, you have to invest a little money with getting a mechanical keyboard. Until the HP Omen 1100, right? So that's what the box looks like. I came across the HP Omen 1100 on Amazon.ae. And the HP Omen 1100 is, I think it's the first, it's HP's first gaming keyboard. Now, I may be wrong, but I checked and that's all the information I have right now. And the box comes with, obviously your keyboard, which I'm going to show you in a second. A few manuals that, nobody likes to read, really, at least not me. And it was simple, it was just plug and play if you want, but then you can adjust everything. They also did come with some cool stickers, which I haven't opened yet. I just keep them all in the box because I don't know what to do with them. Right now, this keyboard retails at about 200 dirhams, right? But I was able to pick it up on Amazon for 95 dirhams. Guys, 95 dirhams, that's under 100 dirhams for a mechanical keyboard, right? Now, I'm telling you, a mechanical keyboard that's under $25, man. That is frigging fantastic. Now, I'm not going to go into the technical specs for the keyboard because I'm sure you already know what switches you want, what you're looking at. However, this keyboard can get a little louder than your typical mechanical keyboards because they have the GreenTech Blue switches. Now, the switches are similar to the Cherry MX Blues, but they are just a little bit louder. And I don't know about you, but for me, it's just music to my ears. I really like that clicking sound, you know what I mean? Now, the only thing I can see some of you might have a problem with, right, is the backlight because it is just red. And it's red on all the keys except W, A, S, and D. However, for me, when I was doing my setup, my RGB is completely red because red's my favorite color, and it just fit perfectly. Now, these backlights, although it's just red, right, these backlights have different effects that can be controlled using the HP Omen app, and there are multiple effects from ripples to spotlight, anything to suit your fancy. Right now, one thing to keep in mind is while downloading the app, which I'm going to link in the description below, I did have a little problem looking for the model number because I was looking at it on these manuals. That's the only time I read this, to be honest, a little bit. I was looking at it on the box and I couldn't like immediately find it, right? So to save you some trouble, just honestly, just Google it. Just Google. That's exactly what I did. I don't remember what the model number was exactly or the serial number. So just Google it and you're gonna find it, and it'll take you in the website. You just enter the model number and it will give you the software to use it. Now, in closing, I'd like to say that I've had the HP Omen 1100 keyboard for just over a week, and it is definitely a great keyboard if you want to get started in just under $25, guys. Like, that's like two meals outside, and you have your mechanical keyboard. So I hope you have enjoyed, and this will help you purchase a mechanical keyboard and elevate your gaming experience. But yeah, for now I think Chili Sauce is going to be signing out. Peace.